Today I want to cover in Sierra charts, you could add the ability to see the difference between buyers and sellers for each particular bar. In this case, this is a 5-minute time frame here on ES futures, and you could see where all the sellers and buyers are happening for a particular bar and what that total number is. So let's begin. What you want to do is right click on the chart, click studies, and what you want to look for is the indicator / study called ask volume, bid volume difference text. If you double tap into that, you'll see it's being added to the graph here. It's pretty simple as far as the other values here that you could enter. You could enter for the text to display on top of the bar or on the bottom of the bar. I keep it at top. And then this is offset by ticks. This is how close you want it to the bar. I like to have this number to be at least 5. And you'll see why here shortly. So if I click OK and apply, you'll see that all of a sudden we're seeing the difference between buyers and sellers here. What you'll also realize that the text is too small to see. So you could double click on the study as well. Click subgraph. And then you could change the font here. For example, if I go to 14, it's going to be much bigger. Let's try around 12 here. And also what I like to do is brighten the text here so you could see it a little bit better. So you'll see here shortly, I just drag it to the more brighter red and green. When I click apply, see how it lights up, and it's a lot easier to see. And one other thing that I don't like is that 00. It's kind of irrelevant when you're trading ES futures. You might be trading a different thing that it's needed. But for ES futures or a lot of the future symbols, it's always going to be 0.00. So I like to change that to be a whole value. So if you go to value format in settings and inputs, if you click on that and then just do 1 here, and if you apply that, you'll only see just the whole number here. So if I click OK, apply, and here you go. Now you see the difference between buyers and sellers for each particular bar. And this is where you could change the different time frames. So if you go to chart settings, for example, if I change this to, let's say I want to see the daily order flow. So I would just do something like this. So this is going to be the daily chart. And you'll see here shortly. Now you have every bar is showing the difference between buyers and sellers. So that's kind of what I wanted to cover in this video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. I create videos like this all the time to help people set up Sierra charts, as well as I daily trade and educate people on how I've been trading for the last 7.5 years. So feel free to subscribe. Also, if you want to see some more ways to set up Sierra charts, I'll attach a video to the end of this video. So check that out and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.